Hello, today we're just going to walk through some of the uses of the Henry Eckert Holdfast. This holdfast is cast in ductile iron. It's cast here in Australia and virtually unbreakable, and also has a little bit of spring in it, which makes it suitable for use as a holdfast. It's quite simple to use. You need a 3/4 inch or a 19mm hole in your bench. It suits benches with a thickness that are in the range of 1.5 to 4 inches. But all you do is strike the holdfast thusly, and that's now secured that piece of timber hard onto the bench. To release the holdfast, you just strike the back and it's released from the hole. Now, some of the uses of the holdfast, if this was a piece of timber that we're going to plane, one could very well use a planing stop, which is the batten of timber. Here we've got a little bench dog that will secure the workpiece there. But to keep this batten nice and secure so that this bigger piece of workpiece here is also secure, you can just put the holdfast here, strike it, and that's really made that whole batten secure and hence the workpiece secure. So when we're planing this way, it won't move. If you want to plane across or you want to make it even more secure, you can get another batten and put it on the side of the workpiece, thusly, and secure that batten with another holdfast, like that. Now that will stop the workpiece from moving this way, and you can plane into the corner whichever way you like to do it. If you're doing some mortising into a piece of timber, you can easily secure that workpiece with a holdfast. This holdfast has got our leather veg tan boot, which just slips onto the holdfast like that, and that holds the timber securely, but it also stops the holdfast from marking the timber. Especially have a nice workpiece here, you can now go ahead and do the mortising. Another use of the holdfast is when you're planing a really long board against the side of your bench. If that board is secured by the vise this end, like this, and you want to plane that edge, just go in the vise, that secures it, but this end, of course, it's not secure and could flap around. So again, another 19mm hole in your bench leg, and using the holdfast, you can secure that board that's now hard against the edge of that bench, and you can plane this edge, and it's all nice and secure. So that's some of the uses of the holdfast and how we use it. It certainly is a versatile tool, and it works very well. Thank you.